Yo, what's up? Welcome to a new video. This is a play I took with my Discord. How we made $1,600 on my funded account, and you guys could have joined too and made money with us. So we came up to a key support level I was looking at, my 30-minute supply, and at QQQ, you could tell with the down screen. We also came into a key level. ES looking sharp with us. So I started considering to get in, and me and my Discord start hopping in the shorts with us, right? Hop in the shorts, give it a second, see what's happening, and hop in. You can see that I enter my real account. So at first I enter it and I didn't realize that it wasn't on my PA account. You'll see that I come back and hop into my PA account real soon. And then we hold it up to at least the 2.5 SDs. Of course, in hindsight, we all know that it hit all 3.5 SDs that we were looking for, but that was not our objective. Our objective was to make money on that day and call it due to it's a Friday. We were all up, we were all happy. So our plan was just to get the last couple dollars to make another cash out, and you'll see later in the video that you'll see I also cashed out too. And you also go on my recent video to see that I cashed out too. So my Discord, we all make money here. So we hop into those clean shorts. And I realized that I accidentally wasn't in my funded account, so changed it to it, and then I was just waiting for a re-entry. We got the re-entry real soon, so just hop back in and made money for all the Discord members. Yeah, and then this was all my screens I just used. I have NQ, ES inside with QQQ. QQQ is my main thing I use. It's good way to see if your plate's actually gonna work out or not. And then in this moment right here, I was just getting ready to see retracement, thinking if it's still shorts or not. And then eventually we do get those shorts. Yeah, let's skip it to a little bit. Yep. So we got the retracement I wanted. And waited for a second. Then I hopped in. You can tell I hopped in my funded account. You can see in the corner right here, PA, and you also can see down here with my account balance and everything like that. Not like other people who fake it out. And this trade got me to what I needed to cash out my second time with Apex. So let's fast forward. We were drawing out a good amount of time. Nothing to worry about because we could tell QQQ if we look in the 5 minute, we're looking more than sharp. We're looking that we're gonna refill this wick and push down probably lower. And ES has good structure too, saying that we probably broke lower and take these lows down here. And NQ was just struggling. He was just being delayed, not really showing it. And then we pull up back again in a 1 minute supply, holding support there. So we were more than solid. And then I think we just kept pushing down. We kept pushing down. And then we hit TP, guys. And then we made 1.6 for the day. All the Discord made money. And my other account that was on stint by accident, we hold it for the real TP. We got a huge retracement back. And we got to our level we were looking at 3.5. We scaled some off in case we hit the 4.5 level, which we never did, which was fine. We all made money in Discord, so if you guys ever want to join the Discord, make money with us. We all keep it real here. You guys can see the piano. We made money, and we cashed out from Apex 2 times this month. So this month we already made $5,000. So if you want to be like that, you can join us always.